So I'm sitting in a tuned Ford Mustang. Next to me is a completely standard BMW M3 Competition. And next to that is a tuned Nissan Skyline R34 GTR V-Spec. And we are going to have a drag race of America tuned, Japan tuned versus standard Germany. What do you think is going to happen in this race? Do you think you're going to win? Oh yeah. So then what exactly happened? Well, the BMW and the Nissan both did the standing quarter mile in 11.4 seconds, but the slow-mo action replay reveals that the BMW was ahead just by a nose. The Ford was last though, with a time of 12.2 seconds for the quarter mile.